Okay, so we're just standing here waiting for the unveiling of the two Rimac Neveras in front of us. And just casually right beside me is Rimac, the CEO of Bugatti. We got Jordan and Jason from the Triple F collection. Prices over there, BD stationed in the cart behind us. The company we're currently in is just insane right now. Waiting for unveiling.
This is my first time here, but it's a very, very exciting time. My name's Todd, and I'm with Rimac of Naples. I came all the way from Florida, but we do have a surprise guest that came from Croatia. Welcome everybody, Mata Rimac, the founder of the brand. So today everybody's witnessing some history. We have two Rimac Neveras here. These are the second and third deliveries in the United States and the fourth and fifth in the world. So it's a very exciting day. It's actually history in the making. We want to thank the man here. We want to thank our clients as well. The first car we're going to unveil belongs to the Ash Crest collection, I remembered. So we'd like to take the cover off of this one. This color is Stratus Blue with tinted blue carbon fiber.
Places I've never had.
So everybody, congratulate Tim and Austin.
Congratulations, man.
Our next delivery is the important one. It's what the show is all about. We'd like to welcome the Fracca family. And I would love the honors to do this introduction, but instead, we'll have Mom to do it.
Thanks, Todd.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we are all here, I guess, because of the Triple F collection. Jason, Jordan, and BDD. Thank you so much for being supporters. BDD. We won't tell them what it means today. We'll do that for ourselves. So yeah, as Todd said, car number 2 and car number 3 in the US. A big deal for us, a big deal for me. I and hundreds of people back at home put a mountain of blood, sweat, and tears in creating these cars. And what I find fascinating about this journey is, it starts out as an idea in somebody's head, and then a lot of work, years, blood, sweat, and tears to get to actual physical products that do what you have initially imagined. When we started out, it was insane to believe that an electric car can be faster than any combustion engine car. That you can build a car that goes from 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds, that goes from 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in less than 10 seconds, and that you can do drifting and all these crazy things with an electric car. And that's what these cars are all about, is to show that the future is exciting, that electric cars can be built by car guys, by people like us who love cars, and that we can have fun and do crazy stuff even when there's almost combustion engines in the future. So without teasing you further, here we have the Triple F collection Nevera.
Yes. So what we see here is Nevera Blue. Actually, what Nevera means is in Croatian, it's a summer storm off the Croatian coast. So like a summer storm that comes out of the blue, it's very violent, charged with thunderstorm, and disappears just as fast. And with this color, we wanted to capture the color of the Croatian Sea at the moment of a Nevera. So this is the Nevera Blue, this is the Rimac Nevera, that's where also the name comes from. So yeah, one of only 3 cars delivered to customers in the US. And congratulations to the Triple F collection and to the Fracca family for the car. Thank you so much for being supportive.
just want to say really quick, guys, thank you so much for coming out. We feel it's much better at the fairgrounds. Everybody can walk around the cars now. There's no lines. I'm sure there's a lot of people appreciate that. You know, being able to have this event and having guys like Monte out here, I mean, what an absolute pleasure. To Columbus, Ohio, that, you know, McLaren's in our cars, all the dealer networks. We have him with Bugatti and Rimac now. I mean, it's going to get better every year. We're going to have more manufacturers. It's going to get bigger and better. So we hope this will be, you know, at least on this side of the United States. We'll just like cut off California there. They're kind of their own little thing. But, you know, we appreciate you guys coming out, all for a great cause, the Make-A-Wish Foundation. We couldn't ask for a better turnout. So thank you guys. Beautiful day. And have fun and take a look around these cars. We can't wait to meet all of you. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.